In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror any Redmi phone to your TV. Over here, I have the Redmi 12 smartphone and I'm going to be screen mirroring it to my Android TV over here. Again, it doesn't matter the type of Redmi phone you have, and it also doesn't matter the type of smart TV you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect or cast your Redmi phone to any smart Android or Google TV you have. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that both your Redmi phone and your smart TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you scroll over to the notification center of my Redmi phone over here, you can literally see that the phone is actually connected to iPhone 13 Sam as my Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure that it is connected to a Wi-Fi or a hotspot network. Then you want to make sure that your TV is also connected to that same Wi-Fi network. So if you come over to the settings of my TV over here, you can literally see that under the network and internet settings, the TV is also connected to that same Wi-Fi network. Now, once that is done, you want to head over to the App Store on your Redmi phone. So basically, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store, then go ahead and download and install this Google Home app into your Redmi phone. As you can see, mine is already downloaded and installed, and once it is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. If you're using the app for the first time, you might actually have to set it up by making sure you log in using your Gmail, and once that is done, you want to come over to the bottom tab over here and then click on devices, just like so, and from here you should be able to see the name of your smart TV. So just go ahead and select the name of your TV from over here. Mine is actually the Mi TV Stick, and then you just want to come over here and then click on the cast my screen and then click on cast screen. Now you just want to go ahead and click on start now, and automatically your Redmi phone will be mirrored to your TV. So you can literally see I can now go ahead and start playing games, watching videos and music from my phone, and it will be displayed on my TV over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.